Oh, hey, welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. We're out in front of the RV. Yes, we just got back from the Smoky Mountains. So, one of the problems we had was our power awning didn't want to come out, and actually it did come out. It came out well, slow but well. And then when we went to go back, we had to put fuses in it constantly to get it to go all the way up. So we researched it some, and we said, we already put a new motor in this. It had a problem before. It's still having a problem. We're not going to troubleshoot it. We found something online on Amazon, an Amazon link below to shop. Great stuff on Amazon, inexpensive. And we're going to prepare to convert this to a manual awning, so we got a crank. That way we know it's always going to work. Being stuck at a campsite where you can't get it in ain't fun. So let's move you back, and we'll see how slow this comes out. Why is it when it's on the driveway it always comes out fast? It's actually coming out good now, great. Alright, well, looks like it came out pretty quick. Let's lower it down, see what we got here. This is the one to lower it, okay. And look at this, see how hard that's going to be to get off. One bolt there. Looks like we'll have to take this cover off apart to get at the wiring. This looks like it'll be relatively easy if we put a ladder under here to support it so it can't fall. Put a ladder under here. But we're going to have to go get a screwdriver to get these out. I think those are, by the look of it, they are Phillips screws. I'm going to go get a Phillips screwdriver and see if we can get those out. Well, we brought ourselves a couple choices of Phillips screwdrivers. Let's see what we got. This one will definitely get this one. That won't go in there. This won't go deep enough. Will this go in? Nope. Okay, so we've got to get a real narrow blade. We're going to have to go downstairs, get a narrow blade to go down those holes. Okay, so we brought out our favorite. It's the thumb drive with the, put that in there. One more screw holding this thing in. There we go, that's the end of that. So we can see what we've got here. See how that motor works and everything. Don't know where the thing unhooks. We're going to put support under here. So we see we got a screw here. That looks pretty good to take out. There's one underneath. This one's going to be that's going to be hard to get off. We're going to have to get a different tool and bring you back on that. Okay, that one ain't going to be easy. This one's going to come out easy. Okay, so that one's going to come out easy. It's this one that's going to be difficult. Plus, we're going to measure that and go see our other one and make sure it fits. So we're back. We put a clamp across here with this and a wrench to get this so it was broke loose a little bit. So now we're to the point where we think we can just turn this out. And we did, and it was a self-tapping screw. That's interesting. Now the next hard part will be to see if we can get this apart. We're going to put this stuff down, so we're going to go down the ladder, put this away. Put it down here. Okay, so we're going to have to get a mallet, tap on that a little, I guess. It doesn't look like that'll come out. Or we can take this screw out and get the wire unhooked and see if we just jiggle it out. How about that? Let's try that. This is going to go. Looks like it's going to want to twist. Oh, shit. That's what we didn't want to happen. Oh, see, we got this little catches here. Got a little bit of weight to it, doesn't it? Here's the get it. I want that to fall off of it, really. Okay. Looks like we're going to have to get a square driver to get that out. Oh, maybe not. Looks like it's coming now. Oh, yeah. Okay, got that out. Lay it here. I don't want that to come off of there. So we're going to have a hard time doing all this, aren't we? Let's put this here. So there's an issue. Just wants to pull my ladder over. So we got to figure out how we're going to get this to stay out here. Put this back in. So we have to put this back in until we get the other one up here. All right, so it looks like it'll stay like that. Kind of got that, don't we? All right, we get the other one up here. Same distance. I can take this out of here, this here, this here. See if we can get that bolt out. Not sure we're going to be able to do this way. So what we're going to do is put this bolt through here, right here. And it's not going to catch because I don't think they put a nut in here. It sounds like there's one in there. Oh. Let's see if we can get this to go in there and catch a nut. Oh yeah, we can get it to catch a nut. Okay. So there's a nut in there. Very good there. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, looks like we're catching a nut. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our screwdriver out, latch it to the other way, and, not tighten this all the way, but we're going to try to do it a little bit so we know it won't come loose. All right, that's good. Now we're going to take this and see if we can bring it. All right, so when we took this apart, it was very spring loaded. This wanted to push way out. That's why we had trouble. So now we've got this. We got this holding it still. When we release that, it'll push out. That enabled us to get this piece in. We got this screw tightened up, off camera, of course. And then we've got this hole right here that it looks like there's no threads in the hole. So the screw that was in there isn't going to work. But we're going to go see if we can get a cotter pin or something to put in there that's about that size. So we're going to go in the basement and look, see what we got. Other than that, I think we're about ready to go here. We're not going to let this loose until we know we're good. So hey, we'll bring you back in a few minutes. So we didn't have the right size bolt for this. We're going to have to go get looks like I need like an 832 to put a bolt through here. But I got this cotter pin to hold it now, but you can see it's a little loose. I wouldn't want to go down the road like that. It is a D hole, so the cotter pin isn't taking the torque, see? So you can see how that turns, and you can see how that turns the whole shaft. So that's where we're at. I'm going to go take these off and try to wind her up. Okay, so we got our crank that goes in here. We're going to go release these bungee cords. See if we can get these released. Should want to pull this up. Okay, we should be able to get this out of the way. Should be able to put this in here. Okay, so you got to pull down on this apparently. Let it go up. Yeah, that doesn't seem to work very well. It's got to be like straight, I guess. Oh, yeah. Looks like it works pretty good, except this hook is kind of crummy. This hook was not firm down. This hook was, I bought this hook and I can see already I'm going to have to make it easier to put on there. It's got to stay in there. I think that this being straight would help. There we go. That'd probably help make it a little easier to go in. Oh, that's out. We're going to have to make a better hook. The other thing is to try to It seems like it's pretty tight up there. I think we're good. There you go. The only thing, I think this hook needs to be a little longer. I don't know if they make them longer. This was not part of that kit. All the links to Amazon will be below. I don't really care for this hook. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to bend this hook a little bit so it goes down a little farther, or maybe I'm going to weld a little piece on here to make it go through farther. Because if this went through farther, you can see if this went through farther, it would be easier to do. It just came out a little. This just came out a little bit farther. So we're going to fix that. But hey, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands for easy, cheap solutions. I'm going to put a link to this hook, but I'm going to tell you this ain't the greatest hook. I'm going to go look for some other ones, see if I can find a better one. If I do, I will put the link there. If not, basically I'm going to take and get a piece to put on here to make it longer, like down to here, so it doesn't pop out like that. We'll catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe, post notifications on, Amazon links to shop. We appreciate your help. Thank you very much.